this job.
Last time I ran ketchup into the shower with me.
Why doesn't this button work?
Button's not working. I'm pushing but ain't lighting.
Hello?
Hello there. I have something important to ask you.
Sorry, my mommy says I can't talk to strangers. Hello?
Hello there. I'm your conscience.
Oh, my mom always says I can listen to my conscience.
Yes, you should. So don't hang up on me this time. Now, I have a very important question.
Oh, what's the question?
Is your refrigerator running?
That's a good one.
No, I'm serious. Is your refrigerator running?
Let me go check.
Okay.
It's all good.
Look again.
Okay.
No! Why? No!
Well, this doesn't look like the train station.
Of course not, you fool. I don't have enough gas to get us there or me to my house.
Well, do we have to stay here? I mean, look at this place. It's abandoned. Doesn't look like there's been anyone around here for years. Maybe wrong.
Your point?
Don't you ever watch the movies? These are the kind of places that there's going to be a guy inside with a giant cleaver waiting to make skins for his bedroom walls.
You know, this isn't some cheap horror film. If it'll make you feel any better, I'll call one of my friends and have her come and help us.
Well, you know that's not going to work, because in all these horror movies, you never have any cell phone reception, even in the most populated of areas for some reason.
No reception.
Oh, look who was right.
Shut it. This is nothing to freak out over. We'll just sleep in the car. I just wish it was spring. I hate the cold.
Do you think I won't try anything funny? You can be just like those movies.
On second thought, I'll just sleep in the barn. You can have the car.
What? Well, that's cold.
Wait, come back!
Ow.
Strange. It seems colder in here than it did out there.
Yeah, that's great. Now, can we go now so we can actually make this a distant memory and remember it when we're old and senile?
Hey, I think I found a place. I think it's some sort of letter from some guy named Paul Postal. Maybe that's who that guy was? And it's addressed to you.
Me?
No, it literally says to you. See?
Oh, great. It's probably one of those homemade explosive devices. I've seen this and how it ends up in the other movie. I don't think it's going to be funny for us.
Hold on, I'll open it. Fran is back. Fran? Who's Fran? Do you have any idea what this is?
Oh yeah! He did look happy, didn't he? Good luck, buddy! I hope she comes back!
I really hope it works out for those two.
I seriously doubt it.
No, really, there's this guy. He's like killing refrigerators. It happened to me a long time ago.
Okay, all it is some mentally unstable guy drugging people and unplugging refrigerators. There's nothing freaky or crazy about that.
So, this is where he is.
Oh, yeah. What?
Why, hello there.
And who are you?
Well, who I am is really not important. The name's Falsh. Nitro Falsh.